Here.
Guys, this is cooking.
Vegetables.
Yes.
Love me some vegetables.
And fried dumpling. I may make them here. Yeah.
Oh, they taste as good as you know.
Shut up. My wash. Good girl. Hi. She is ironing and she not iron nothing for me. But me no vex. Me don't vex. Me love her. See me. Sick valve. Sick valve. Sick valve. Sick valve. Hey guys. She's sick. My ear man wash, like seriously. No, don't do it. Me not even touch the door. Sure.
That whole part, where you
Gone out I do.
There was even a man covered in snow right in front of him. My goodness, Pooh thought. Everything really is covered in snow. Remembering his manners, Pooh called out, "Hello, Mr. Snowman." The snowman stared back blankly. "I said hello, Mr. Snowman," repeated Pooh. "Beautiful day, isn't it?"
What did I do? Did you see me do anything?
You go sit down on the chair and you don't know his story when you get sit down on the chair back. If you know his story when you go under the chair with that.
Make money good for me, please, man. Beg you.
Story.
Tour, cut your mouth, Tour.
Story.
Call me name, Tour.
Tour.
No.
Oh, this story was between three animals.
Yeah.
A cow, a dog, and a cat. They were playing football. The cat decided to go into the goal, and the cow said, "Do not go into the goal. I'm going to kick the ball hard." The cat decided to say no. So the cow said, "All right." The dog said, "Yeah, kick the ball." The cat ball up. Me eye. The cow said, "Me didn't tell you if you move." Dog ball out. The dog ball out. Rough here. The end.
So, hey guys. You have to say for yourself.
I did nothing wrong.
Lies. Look at her. All she
black
is
mirror.
posing beside the girl. Eh? The girl.
I want things in black mirror.
And she passed the boy. The only boy there, she passed him. Eh? Eh? Good man. Hi, pet.
You can't ask me why I'm crying. Hi guys.
Yeah, Jonah.
You want man?
Go back. Go back.
Don't waste my water.
Shut up. Shut up. I'm afraid to see you next week.